Lexi, are you having a snack right now when you woke up? Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap your hands together. Ah, good trying. Clap, clap, clap your hand. Hi. Hello. La 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 la. Da 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 da. Lexi is 7.5 months old, doing lots of mamas and da-da-das. She just started crawling. She's a big girl. Lexi, Lexi, Lexi Boop. And she has a signature where she's always bopping that foot.